Welcome! Are you looking for the best kitchen gadgets? Great! Because we select for you the best kitchen gadgets on Amazon and AliExpress. These amazing kitchen gadgets will save you a lot of time. If you wanna buy any, just click on the description link. These gadgets will make you a real master chef. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Today's product review is we're reviewing these square little bowls for the home down, and you can check them out. They have a Facebook page, and I'm using mine for here is I'm using mine for using them for condiments for Sunday, and I have a birthday cake, and they come in sets of 6, so it was great. I used 3 for the sauces and 3 for peanuts and whatnot, and I also have a birthday cake there, some Cool Whip, and we're going to have some sundaes in a minute after everybody finishes their barbecue. As you can see, the birthday boy's enjoying barbecue right now.
My box.
Yeah.
My box.
It's your birthday, yeah, and you're going to have a nice Sunday. So check them out, and definitely check out their